case, your power will not save you. I'll video this one with plenty. Video. It's mad. This man is mad. This man is mad. Okay, go inside your car. Warn yourself. Respect yourself. You're not the most powerful man. They're going to beat you for a year in a place. Enter your car and go. Enter your car. Go, go, go. They must change out for him. They must change out. They must change out for this man. Go! Hey! 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 Go! 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 Hey! Hey! Waka! 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 All of you guys come back. Go! 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 You came to him and you have show power. Reckless! 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 They go beat you now. I say you're close.
Not to lose your tear gas, not to. Shoot, shoot! Oh,
I wish I get some man. Go on. Yeah.
This one mine.
Go.
You are pressed.
Go. They go beat you come out for here.
I can't have anything to.
They go beat you come out for here. They go beat you come out for here. Power! Who you be? Who are you? 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 Shame! No be so you run. No be so you run come out. 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 No be so. Yay! They don't spoil the glass. They don't spoil the glass. Woo! Woo! They don't lock the gates. They don't lock the gates. They'll show you pepper today. They don't lock the gates. They will show you pepper. They don't lock the gates. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? They don't lock the gates. They will show you pepper. Who are you? 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 Exactly. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You can't push the guy there, they hit him. Who are you? Close the gate! 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 Yes, yes, you are not doing anything. Close the gate! Close the gate! Close the gate! Just one full animal. If he has all the power in the world, because they one double boy, talk about no party around. One. They don't break the glass. Good. God bless the person who break that glass. Who is he? Who is he? They thought they beat the guy because he don't carry police come. Because he's a who are you? Are you feeding? Is he feeding anybody?
Why will he be? Why will
is it because he don't carry police come? Is he feeding anybody here? Okay, when you are in your zone, you are powerful, you are chief magistrate. It's nobody's business. Yes, when you are here, you obey the rule here. Who are you? People who are come here, they go show and pepper. Who are you?
See now, don't break that place.
They don't break the glass now. So go and go there. Yeah, let them break it very well, sir. They don't break the glass, the back one now. See the glass. They don't break it. Don't break it. No, I'm not doing anything. Because it will be unfair for these people to come and kidnap the guy, they will not do anything to be unfair.
The guy is a security guy.
They don't carry on now. That Fulani man come dey beat am. Because he don't bring police come. Now people start to throw something come from inside his car. They can't come escape. They can't lock the gate. Now people break the back of his glass.